Mr. Speaker, sir, to make matters worse, this 88,000 metric tons was supposed to be delivered to NFRA, ADMAC, and S-managed warehouses as per the mega farm agreements. However, it is very sad and disheartening, Mr. Speaker, sir, that as of October 2025, only 5,471 metric tons had been supplied. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is very disappointing. I'm actually running out of adjectives. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is very disappointing to note that most of the farmers who brought these 5,471 metric tons to NFRA sold this maize as private farmers, not as beneficiaries of mega farms. This meant that they got all the money and nothing was given to Mike. Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry is keenly monitoring the situation as this money has to be paid by end of December 2025. Mr. Speaker, sir, I, therefore, urge, implore, and beg those who were involved to make sure that they pay back this money by end of December. Otherwise, Mr. Speaker, sir, they will face the law.